Okay, so now it's time to cutting the cake. Okay, cutting the cake with the beautiful mommy and a handsome daddy here. Wow. Okay, and of course, Princess Minnie Mouse. Rania Layla. Okay. Okay, very good. Wow, and of course, so this is the moment. This is for daddy. Okay, daddy. A little message for your all guests here. Pasalamat.
Ayaw say hi!
Naintindihan nyo na, no? Nga pala, salamat sa mga pumunta. Thanks for all to my daughter's first birthday.
Por mayor!
Okay na. Sa susunod na birthday, sana makaten ulit